Hey everybody, it's me again, Mr. Combs, and let's look at that last page. So what we want to do now is we want to sort of do the opposite of what we did in the last video. We want to find the z-score given the area of the shaded region. Now we can't use the normal distribution calculator because it doesn't go backwards, right? So we can't put in an area and have it give us the z-score. So we're going to have to do this the old-fashioned way. And before we had nice technology that would do things like this for us, what we had were tables. So the third link in the Resources for Studying Statistics is a normal distribution table. So when you click on it and open it up, it gives you a table, and what this table gives you is it gives you a z-score and the area associated with that z-score from the mean to the z-score. So for example, the z-score is 112. So from 0 to z equals 112, this shaded area is 0.369. Okay? So in this case, we're given that this shaded area is 0.31, and we want to find the z-score that is associated with it. So we want to find the z-score that's associated here. Now this table works the same way for negative values. You just make those values negative. Okay? So here is in my normal distribution, here is the mean. So the table will give me the area from the mean over to the z-score. I'm given this shaded area as 0.31. But guess what? I know that this entire side is 0.5. So all I need to do to find this area is to take 0.5 and subtract 0.31 from it. When I do that, and I use a calculator, which I can't find. Here it is. I'm going to take 0.5 minus 0.31. That gives me 0.19. So this area right here is 0.19. So what I need to do is find the z-score that is associated with 0.19. Now this is going to be over here because it's below 0, so it's negative. So I'm going to look in my table for the area 0.19. So I'm not looking at z here, I'm looking in the A column. So 0.19, 0.19. I don't see it. So I have another table, a part of the table here. 0.19, 0.19. Okay, here I have 0.188, 0.192. So I have two. I have 0.19 is in between there, right? So what you want to do is you want to maybe find out which one is closer. So let's see, 0.188 minus 0.19, that's 0.002, you know, so this area on the table, 0.19 is between the area that I'm given, 0.188, and 0.192. So what I want to do is I want to use the one that is maybe closer to it. But when I take 0.19 and subtract 0.188, I get 0.002, And when I take 0.192 and subtract 0.19, I get 0.002. So 0.19 is equally distant from both of these. So you know what? Just choose one. I'm going to choose 192. So I'm going to choose 0.192. So that means that the z-score is 0.50, but since it's on the negative side, it's going to be negative 0.50. So the z-score in this case is negative 0.50. You could also have used the other one, or we could have said negative 0.49. Either way, it's fine. Okay, let's look at another question like that. It says find the z-score such that the area under the standard normal curve to its left is 0.0867. So let me draw a standard normal curve. We want the area to the left to be 0.0867. So since that's a smaller area to the left, I'm going to assume that my z-score is somewhere over here. So here's my z-score, and I want the area to the left of that. And I know that this area is 0.0867. So that's less than 50, right? So I'm going to say that it's over on this side. If it was greater than 50, if it was like greater than 0.5, I might say it's over on this side. So I need to find the area from here to here. I know this whole side is 0.5, so I'm going to take 0.5 and subtract 0.0867. So 0.5 minus 0.0867 is 0.4133. So I know this area is 0.4133. So I'm going to go into my chart, and I'm going to look for the area 0.4133. So let's see, here's 0.413. Now I don't have 0.4133. The next one is 0.415. So this one is the closest. It's 0.413. So my z-score is 131.36. But this is on this side of 0, so I'm going to say it's negative 1.36. So the z-score in this case is negative 1.36. And with that, we are officially done with the semester. So you should be able to complete all the homework in Unit 4. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good Thanksgiving. I will see you next Monday and Wednesday of next week. We will be studying for the final exam. And then that next week you'll take the final. Alright guys, so I hope that you found this to be helpful. And let me know if you have any questions.